Uh, hey man, how you been? Haven't talked to you in a while. Uh, I've just been here, hanging out, you know, shooting shit, stroking the dick, having fun. Miss you, man. Haven't heard from you. You haven't, ouch. You haven't messaged me back. That's okay. Just wanted to let you know I'm okay, you know? How have you been? Things have been okay with me, buddy. Uh, the channel grew pretty well. How's that? Um, well, it kind of blew up just a little bit because of this one chick on TikTok. She reacted to one video and then it kind of blew up because of her reaction. Because like all of her little fucking 13-year-old girl fans like started to check me out. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Thanks for looking at my fucking dumbass moaning video, right? Yeah. And then, so that picked up. And then I was like, well, I'll try something else just for fun. And then those did well. And then, like, started to think about doing lewd stuff. Because apparently, like, this voice thing is, like, crazy popular, you know? Like, crazy popular. Like, it's, scary. Ah, like, did you know that like most of them talk to each other on TikTok? They talk to each other. Like the community has a community in TikTok. The little roleplay ASMR thing community has a community in TikTok in which they communicate each other and talk to each other about the ASMR artists and the boys and the role players and the girls and the yada 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 yada. It's kind of like whoa, you know? I wonder if my name's in there. Like, like if they throw out little, little mentions of me. Like, did you hear about Twinkles? He's a fucking dork. He can't even do lewd. Like, yeah. And then I started up a Twitch channel. You can come by and check it out anytime you want, man. I hope you do. I hope to see you there. It'll be fun to see you there. Don't think of yourself as just a number or just a name. You're not. You're special. Remind me of who you are in case you got a fucking dumbass gamer tag. You know what I mean? Miss you, buddy. Just come in whenever you want. Never feel obligated to stay or keep me company or whatever. I'm not gonna make you mod. Cause it's just a waste of fucking time. It's nothing. It's a nothing thing, buddy. It's okay. The Twitch the one is this whole thing is like just weird to me, man. I just did it just to let people know that I meet online that I'm still alive, you know? That's it. But then I'm like seeing how deep the rabbit hole goes and actually being a part of it all is like fucking just people make livelihoods off of this, man. And not just off of Twitch, but off of just the voice stuff too. Just being a fucking boyfriend in a video for like 5 fucking seconds, 5 minutes, whatever. Like the people make like goddamn almost careers out of it. Can you believe it? That's insane to me, man. That's insane. Just act like a boyfriend for like 10 minutes and you're in. Do some loot in there, throw in some loot, some licks, some dicks, some tips, some nips, stuff like that. You're gold. Or somewhat, you know? It's really cute though. It's cute. Like the fans you get, like some of them are just well, some of them are like little girls, which is okay. I hope they don't listen to my bad stuff because I don't want them to. And some of them are older, which is cool too. I don't mind. You know, when you're online, you can't really control the age range of who you get. But I'm glad I get older. I'm glad I get older. It's nice. It's refreshing, you know, when all you hear is teenager and then like you get an actual adult who's like, you know, oh, I really appreciate your work. It is good. It is good work. You just have to good, 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 like that. You know, instead of just, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh. Instead of that, you know, like screaming, screeching. That's refreshing. um. Yeah. I told you about the Twitch thing, right? Yeah, I made that. It's okay. I just made that. I mean, that's just for fun to game, talk to people. But then even that like you can make a career out of, you know? Like there's communities in that shit, you know? There's fucking communities in everything, man. It's insane. And I don't know if I want to be a part of any of them. Why? 'Cause like I don't know, it's scary. It's like I don't want to be a part. I don't want to identify myself as that. I'm not that. I'm just a friend. That's as much as I want to be. It's just a friend. Just like that's all the intent was to just let you know that I exist. That was 90% of the intent anyway. The others like was to just have fun. Can I handle it? Probably. If I don't. The thing is, it's weird cuz like look, I did I did it as a joke and then I see like holy shit, this can be serious. This can be fucking serious. And I'm like, what the I don't know about this. And then I also see like how people take advantage of like kids, you know, in both sides of the community, on Twitch and on YouTube and in ASMR community stuff. Like people take advantage of kids and like sex, like sex appeal and like not only that, like just the numbers game. Like sometimes they'll just on Twitch they'll just friend people just to because they got big numbers, and they'll follow people just because they got big numbers, and This I hear that happens on like VR chat too, cause like my brother plays VR chat and like he tells me how there's he tells me that there's like like clout chasing. There's clout chasing too. There's clout chasing everywhere, man. It's clout chasers. Goddamn clout chasers. Ugh. I don't ever want to be that. Trying not to be that. Trying to make them all my friends, Trying to make the people who actually like my shit my friends. That's all I want. And what else would you want? You just want to be true. A true friend. But then again, that's all you want. But then like the numbers go up. The numbers go up, and then you're like, well, fuck. Like I can't be friends with all of them. Like I can't be fucking friends with all of them. Some of them are assholes, right? I miss you, buddy. I hope you're okay. Never think that I'm like. Never think that I'm like not thinking of you. This is one of those things. This is one of those things where like I'm talking to you right now. This is one of those. I miss you. I really do, buddy. You always know where to find me. It'll always be me. It'll always be the same. That name. That dumb fucking name. And you know what else is weird? Like, so I made a Discord, right? For the people who like me. Because I want to get to know them, right? But then it's like dab. It's dab. It's like I made a Discord for them, but then I have a Twitch. So then it's like even more of the idea of like I'm just monetizing these fucking people in a way because of the Twitch, right? But in reality, I just wanted to like ow, my fucking balls. In reality, I just wanted to get to know I just wanted to get more to know more of the people who just fucking joined the Discord at all. That's all. That's it. And it's not just about me, man. It's about like them. Like they can join the Discord and like have fun with each other and forget about me. I mean, that's like why I don't fucking put out notifications for anything. Because I'm always in that mindset of like, well, who cares about me? You know, I'm just some guy. That's all I am. I'm just some guy. That's all I want to be. I'm just some guy that you can come to and be like, oh yeah, there's that dude. There's that dude who's not fucking insane, who doesn't get fucking upset over fucking everything that I fucking say all the fucking time. Fuck. Right? And then the more people I meet, the more people I miss. And then the more people I meet, the more people I have to spend time with. And then the more people I start to forget about. Possibly. But then again, maybe they're forgetting about me, which is okay, which is good. It keeps me humble, you know? That's good. But if you ever remember the name, you can come back here and like remember these were my thoughts, buddy. I'm always thinking of you, man. in a way. Remember that I make these for you. Not just them, but for you. Because, like, we may have, I may make something that's like stupid and stuff. And that's like, you know, dumb, stupid, bad, bad opinion, you know, stuff like that. But you know, you, I, it, I'm just, I'm just another one. You know what I mean? Ugh, my back. Ouch. Whatever. I took the VTuber route, by the way. Kind of. I mean, I go IRL sometimes, and the VTuber route honestly is to just make me look cute. I mean, I think I look good already, but like, I think I look good already, but like the VTuber thing, just like, it's just in case, just for cute little clips that I like to make that like make it more interesting. That's all. Otherwise, you just got some fucking dirt fuck looking asshole like saying one thing and then that's the end of the clip, which is essentially what it is. But you know, the VTuber makes it funner. My balls. Ow. Okay, buddy. I'll let you get some sleep. There's just like a little update for you, man. You probably won't even watch this. It's okay. When the sweet cherry on. Good night, buddy. Keep in touch. Love you.